Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your SONOS 1 SL, or this also works in for Gen 2. So what you want to do is make sure the unit is unplugged, okay? And then you'll see on the very back of it a little infinity button, okay? We want to hold that in at the same time, plug in the unit in the wall, okay? And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna look and wait for that light right there. Once it starts flashing orange, you let go and then it will turn green. As soon as it turns green, then it will be factory reset. There we go. I hope this video helped.